Today we're gonna make a different kind of video. I want to give you guys an office tour. A lot of people show off their cars, a lot of people show off their houses. I want to actually take a moment and show off my office. So I'm gonna walk you guys through exactly what Hamza Invest looks like from the inside and from the outside. So we have Kareem, Huda, myself, a little messy, but it's all right. We have someone here that I'm not gonna name, Iman. We got Zara's in here. What's up, Zara?
Hello.
Sana offices out of here. When she does office, she doesn't office much anymore, but when she does, she offices out of here. And we just have an opening. We had a person that used to office here, no longer does. We got the plaque, my Hall of Fame for the podcast episodes. Got a little kitchenette for all the employees, the coffee, the tea maker. You know, you need the chai in the office. And we've got the official Hamza Invest mugs. 1972 SL450, my dream car growing up. Thought I would buy it, kept it in the office. This one, by the way, pristine condition, no issues. I don't drive it, so I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna park it here in the office. That's the entrance to my office. You come in, there's a waiting area. The cool thing about the waiting area, I dual purposed it, so it's also for my podcast, so Immigrant Unfiltered, the podcast. So we do the podcast here, and it's a cool waiting area for any of the investors or people that come in to my office. We got a rec area, so people eat lunch, employees, team members eat lunch here, or sometimes we get staff from our other offices that come in office out here. They can work from here. And you walk in a little more. This is my famous conference room. I do most of my investing meetings from here. Fix that chair real quick. And this is kind of what that looks like. I want to take a minute and show you guys the outside as well. That's Zara's car. My car is so tiny, it doesn't even show if her car's parked. And that's my car over here. And then this is what my office looks like. There's a residential subdivision. That's where my office is. And then that is officially Hamza Invests. And that's where we do all of our business. I wanted to show it off today. Tell me if you guys like it. If you guys think I need to improve on anything, I'm more than open to any suggestions. But this is where we do business.